So let's take a look. These are the controls that we set aside, the chamois and the feather that got no treatment. So we want to compare our treatment groups to these. And this first group was the group that just received the water. And the feel, the texture of the chamois is similar to the control group, and the same goes for the feather. The feel and texture was very similar to the control group. Next up is our liquid dish soap, and the chamois feels similar. It may be a slightly stiffer. The feather is similar. You can see that there are areas where the feather is a little more stuck together. Move to the powdered laundry soap. You can see the residue very clearly. It is much stiffer than the control group. The feather, we can also see some residue, and as you see, it is definitely has a different texture than the control group. Next up is the powdered dish soap. And with the chamois, we can see again some residue. It is slightly stiffer than the control group, and we see residue on the feather as well. And again, we are seeing a little bit different texture with the feather than the control group. The last group is the oil and water. This one was the most significantly changed. First of all, the chamois is still saturated with oil. It's much heavier. And the feather also is still saturated with oil even after drying 24 hours. And as you can see, the feather has a completely different appearance than that of the control group.